To start cleaning, you can do it while wheels are attached to the chair, or you can remove them. In my case, I removed them. And as you can see here, there are a lot of hair, threads, this and that on the wheel, which were kind of making them stuck. So you take a plier or something else, whatever can hold one side, and then with the flat screwdriver or chisel or anything, you pry the wheel out, as you can see in the video. And the wheel will pop out, and then you will see there are a lot of lint, hairs and threads on the axle of that wheel. You will remove those first maybe with the hand, and then you will need to use a knife at some stage. Be careful when using the knife, always. This could be a little bit tricky, don't injure yourself. So remove all the debris there. Once you remove everything, then you will move the wheel from the other side, and you can pry this out, as you can see in the video. And once it is out, you will remove the debris and everything from the other side as well. Once all this is removed, then you will see that the wheel is free and is rotating freely. And to improve the situation even further, you will add maybe WD-40 or any other lubricant. Then that will make the wheel spin freely. I used WD-40 in my case, and it helped a lot. So you use that WD-40 on this side. Once it's all set, then you put it back just like you removed. So you put and push it in a place, as you can see, and then from on the other side, you will maybe add a little bit WD-40 as well. So once you do that, then you will be able to put the other side of the wheel back on as well. So here what I used, a WD-40. So push them against each other, and you will hear a... Once you hear the click, then you are ready to go. In my case, there were a lot of debris on the wheel outside as well, which I cleaned. After cleaning, everything is ready to go, and you can go back and attach the wheel to the chair. I did a WD-40 a little bit on that axle as well. So yeah, you can see a lot of debris, a lot of hair, threads, this and that was jamming these wheels. So that's the way you clean these wheels, and you are back to kind of new again. For full and many other videos, subscribe YouTube channel MJ296, spelled as AMJAY296. Like and share videos. Thank you.